Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna have to do a merch plug for myself because as you guys do know, we did fire up the website. We have knives on there now. We have freaking like wall art, we have shirts, we have hoodies. It's gonna get cold, guys. Go get your merch right now. It's senditstevemerch.com. That's right, senditstevemerch.com, as showed on the screen up here, down there. I don't know where it's gonna be, but head on over, show your support for the channel, and I'm gonna roll the footage. We're going to get a freaking supercar. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys like that little bit of an intro. But if you guys are new to the channel, I am Send It Steve. We got the F450 and we have the trailer loaded up. Now, as you can tell, I let the little Send-Its kind of be goofy and kind of do a little intro of their own. They're obviously making fun of me, but that's okay because you know what? They're enjoying it and they're smiling. I hope they're having fun. So today, we actually have made an eBay purchase. Now, eBay is something I don't normally actually end up purchasing on or anything like that, but I was messing around with it. A bunch of people actually sent it to me, and well, now is the time that you guys are going to see. I'm excited about it because who wouldn't want another vehicle like this? And the way I've been explaining it to the kids is I've been literally telling them, if two of my cars had a baby, this is what this vehicle is. Any guesses?
I think it would be the Civic.
All right, come over here. I need you guys. Put that down. Put that down. All right, guys, so if two of my babies or two of my cars had a baby, that's what we purchased.
I know one. I think it would be the Civic that had a baby
and what else? Mo, stop picking your nose. You're on film. So, Sarah, stand up. Let's take this normal. You guys are making this difficult.
She's dancing around. Yeah, a little.
All right, come over here. I don't want the viewers to see it though. All right, so I'm gonna spin this around and let them see it. Mo, are you excited to see the new purchase? The new my supercar? Come over here. You gotta come closer. Get off the trailer.
Is this a truck? Not so. I mean, is this what the Corvette is supposed to look like?
This is the Corvette. Anywho. All right, are you guys ready? Sarah, forget your shoes, okay? That's fine.
That's boring. It's not.
Forget your shoes. We're trying to do a serious video here. All right, guys, the moment of truth. I'm gonna show the kids their new vehicle.
Is this wood? Huh?
This is exciting. This is exciting.
No, I'm not. I can't see. I can't see. Duh, you're too small.
That is so gross.
What?
I can't
it is the new supercar for the channel.
It's definitely like the Civic, but weirder on top.
Dada, I can't see it.
That is so gross.
What?
I can't see it, Dada.
If it's like the Civic, I like it. But I want to see inside of it.
That is actually disgusting.
What?
I like it.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Is it going to be for like mud bogs like that?
It's gonna, you're giving it away right now. But yes, it is gonna be used. We will end up taking it. This one's gonna be more drivable though. Like this one we're gonna drive.
Are you going to take it apart like you did to the Civic?
No. This one's already pretty much built except for we need a drivetrain.
Don't know what that is.
So we'll be able to take two things like this when we go places.
No, I don't actually like it.
Why?
It's weird.
I want to see inside. I want to see inside.
It's actually.
There's
show you the
nothing
picture.
inside. It's just like this car here.
It's hideous.
Like there's nothing inside. It's just like
What car
a dash
is it
and
supposed to be? Like, what is it?
It's supposed to be like.
it's this.
It's a Corvette.
Yeah, you can't tell?
You can just paint that orange.
I don't know what that is.
It's a lifted Corvette.
It's like pointy.
It's the body style before this.
So you can.
Black, Riley.
I thought it was. I didn't see it. But we're definitely painting that orange, right?
Yeah, probably. Look at that.
2 orange Corvettes.
That'll be funny.
That is sick.
Daddy.
I like it.
Paint it purple.
All right, guys. Well, I can tell that they're not as excited about it as I am, but I think once we get it here and they get a look at it and we get it, you know, functioning and everything like that, I think they're going to enjoy it. So I'm off to Florida.
Is it going to be as loud as the Civic?
No.
With you because I could just tell my mom that I'll do the work on the way down there that I'm gonna miss,
You got to work that out with your mom.
or on the way back.
Because I want to see it.
All right, guys. Well, this is where I am going to start heading to Florida. I'm going to miss these little send-its, but I've got to go pick this thing up. I'm excited. I can't wait to share it with you guys, and I hope it's a whole nother experience. All right, guys. You will now see footage from kind of the trip and me picking it up. Enjoy. Alrighty, guys. Well, we have got the new vehicle for the channel loaded up, and I am freaking pumped. I really wish I could show you guys. Unfortunately, the only thing you can see right now is the go-kart or golf cart that we're giving to my parents right now. But behind that is, in fact, our new vehicle for the channel. And I mean, it is crazy. It's insane, and I can't wait to show you guys. So I got about an hour and a half drive down to where my parents live, and we're gonna hang out with them for the evening and go to Disney and things like that. But right here, I guess I'll go ahead and I'm already at my parents at this point, but right now I'm gonna go ahead and put in a little montage of what we purchased. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I can't wait to really get into videos and explain this thing to you guys. Alrighty, guys. Well, we have made it home, ABS light and engine light and all. Now, as you can tell, we got 13.2 miles to the gallon, which is average. The truck did turn 285,331 miles from this trip. I am freaking excited about that, guys. 285,000 on the old Power Stroke here. Let's see how many miles round trip. We did 2,259 miles round trip. Now, I have to get going to Beaver's wedding here, so I'm gonna have to do an outro probably tomorrow, and I hope you guys are excited. I literally have to be at Beaver's wedding in 4 minutes. So I gotta go get changed, guys. I'll be back with you tomorrow. Alrighty guys, so now it is out there. We are finally home and we have the new project for the channel, and I am freaking in love. Now I wish the sun was actually in a better spot right now so you could see the actual true shine in this car. I mean, it is actually a beautiful car. It does have its blemishes and things like that, and that's probably why they used it as, you know, a lifted vehicle instead of doing, you know, kind of a show vehicle with it. But I am freaking absolutely in love. As you guys do know, I am a Corvette person, and I do actually have a video for you tomorrow about the C5. It wasn't the direction I wanted to go, but I can't pass that up. So anyway, we're not here to talk about the C5 yet, but stay tuned for tomorrow's video. But this is the new project for the channel, and I hope that you guys are excited. So we're going to do a video going into greater detail, what everything is, what is the setup, what it's sitting on, everything like that. But I'm sure you guys already, you know, I don't know how long this video is, but I want to do a separate video to kind of go over everything, because I'm sure you guys are wondering why it looks like the suspension is what it is. So there is our update. There is our new vehicle. I drove 2,300 miles round trip in 2.5 days to get this bad girl and bring it back home. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys like the content that we are about to provide for you guys. So if you guys like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe. And I cannot wait to I can't wait to get tearing into this thing and actually have some fun. You can tell I'm a little tongue-tied, a little twisted. This is actually the day before, so Matthew and Amanda Beaver, congratulations on your wedding. I had an absolute blast. I'm glad I could be a part of it, and everything, you know, everything fell into place. I made it, guys. So there you have it, guys. If you like the content, again, smash that like button, please subscribe. And let's just start our collection of lifted four-wheel drive vehicles. If you guys don't know, we do have a lifted Civic up here. I'm gonna bring it down and we'll do kind of an outro with these two sitting next to each other. Take care, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. I am absolutely in love with this setup. I mean, it is freaking sick, guys. How can we hate this? Man, I love this thing. I think we're on a new trend, guys. I'm just gonna do lifted vehicles. As you do know, we do got the Urban Bourbon. That's a Rough Country lift that sponsored me. I'm huge thankful for them. Rough Country on the Urban Bourbon. We got the OBS truck. That's also a Rough Country lift. I bought that truck that way. And then, of course, we got the jacked up F450 over there. So everything we got now, guys, is lifted except for the GTA. And we will not be lifting that, guys. So, again, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.